and welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a review video and I'm gonna give you my honest review and demo on this product called Prolexir. It is their detoxifying C. algae clay mask. So first, talking about this brand and the mask, I have seen it so many times on Instagram, on YouTube, on Facebook. It was such a hype and I thought I'll buy it once everything is going to be normal. To my luck, this brand actually reached out to me and I am super excited to try this product because it was such a hype and I really want to see how it works on my skin. Also guys, this video is going to be the first impression in front of you all. I'm gonna try this mask for the first time on my face. You can see how much difference you feels like before and after. So let's quickly get started.
Back to when we felt like this was forever. Can I take you there? Like it was the first time. Do you remember? Can I take you there? You're all I need.
So first, I really love the idea of this packaging. Like, it looks super cute and it is like so presentable. So once you open it, they have sent it in this paper cutouts, like very cute pink kind of packaging, and here is the product. Also, you get this catalog with this, in which there are some directions and benefits of it, which we will read further. And now this is the actual packaging. This is the actual box, which is so cute. It is Barbie pink in color, and then when I open it, you get this face mask, and also it comes with a very cute little tiny brush. So talking about the packaging, like, it's heavy and it is sturdy as well, and it gives you a very premium and luxury feeling because it looks so much of good quality. So there is something imprinted here as well. There is direction, there is ingredients, and the price and everything is there on this and on this packaging as well. So now let's get into the ingredients and what it claims. So it claims it is the perfect skin detoxifying C. algae mask. It hydrates deeply, detoxify and brightens. It protects against pollution, it tightens pores and boosts radiance, which we will see in this video further. So make sure you watch it till the end so we can compare what it claims. Like, it is for all skin types, which is really good. And how to use it is as same, like you have to spread it all over your face. I will take you through the application. So now once I open this, it comes with another protectant, which is a lid. Okay, you can see it is again Barbie pink color, which I really love. And the fragrance is divine. The fragrance is really very good. Now, it smells like every goodness of skincare thing is in this tiny cute little tub. Now, I'm gonna talk about the ingredients that it has, which works for skin in the best possible way. So let's discuss its 5 main ingredients. So it has seaweed algae, which is the active ingredient in this mask. Then it has charcoal, it has vitamin C, it has hyaluronic acid, and also it has Diatomax earth in it. I hope I pronounced it right. So the C. algae is the powerhouse of minerals and nutrients, which gives a true value to your skin. Like, it detoxifies, it hydrates deeply, it cleans your pores deeply. Second, hyaluronic acid. It helps to hydrate your skin, makes it youthful within. Also, it fights with the dryness and makes it plump and soft. Next ingredient is vitamin C, which you all know is a really good brightening agent for your skin. It helps to remove pigmentation from your skin, and it also helps to fight with the acne and the blemishes that you have, scars on your skin. And also it frees your skin from the dullness, giving it a brightness within. Fourth ingredient is activated charcoal, which we all know it helps to purify the skin, and it suck out all the dirt and pollution from your skin, giving it a brighter feeling and deep cleanse your pores. Diatomax earth helps to tighten your pores. It cures acne and it brightens your skin. It gives a radiance to your skin. So all these benefits of these ingredients will really help your skin when you apply this mask. Alright guys, so first I'm just gonna secure my hair back.
Remember, can I take you there? You're all I need. Can I take you there? Can I take you there?
I really love the color. It is like so pretty, and the smell is divine. Like I really love it. Yes. So I'm just gonna apply it all over my face like a regular face mask. And the brush is really very cute. It's so small but soft at the same time. It is of really good quality. I love it.
I can't get you out of my mind. It's like I feel
And one thing that I have observed is like I have just taken this much, whatever was on the lid, I'm using that much only. So a little goes a long way.
boy who can treat me right. Your dark hair with those eyes so bright. They look into my soul and it sparks my life.
And the consistency is thick, like, and with my face mask I like to go everywhere, like under my eyes as well. And now the direction says you have to leave it for about 10 minutes and then I'll tell you what you have to do. Alright guys, so it's been 10 minutes now, and the way you have to remove this mask is written over this box. And okay, so you have to remove this clay mask with a warm wet towel. So I have this microfiber towel and I have dipped it into some lukewarm water. It is wet, and all you have to do is now
Always falling for the wrong guys. They keep telling me it's alright.
yes, so it's done. And
I've been searching for this all my life.
I personally like to spray some rose water because I haven't washed my face. I have just removed it with this wet towel.
Into my soul and it sparks my life. Can I take you?
Alright guys, so I have removed the product completely and you guys can actually see the difference. Skin feels really good, so soft, and it is so brightened up in one application only. So yeah, this is kind of a face mask which actually brightens up your skin, like instantly gives you a brighter feeling. And yes, skin feels good, but yes, it feels a little dry, but they have already mentioned that you have to use a moisturizing cream after the mask application, and it is but obvious because we always, whenever we scrub or use a face mask, we have to moisturize. And for that I'm gonna use this Pond's Light Moisturizer. It's really good. So I'm just gonna take, I'm gonna take a generous amount of it and gonna apply it. Okay, so I agree that it is a little on pricier side, but it gives you some awesome results. I really love the results of it after the first application only. So you guys saw it yourself what my skin looks like after applying the mask. Like you can compare it before and after. So now I want to share what I honestly feel about the mask apart from whatever is written or whatever it claims. One, I definitely feel my skin glowing, and it is plumpy and youthful. So yes, I really felt what it claims, and yes, glow stays for a longer period. For textured skin, it is definitely going to do wonders on your skin because I had a little bumps on my face, and after first application only I can see those bumps fading away. So it is a wonderful product for the textured skin. If you have large pores, it is definitely going to work for you as well because it helps to tighten and shrink in your pores. And the most important thing, like after you apply a face mask, there is some tingling sensation or some irritation, or when you remove it you can feel some redness on your face. I felt nothing with this mask, no tingling sensation. In fact, it was giving me some cooling effect. There was no redness, there was no itchiness, there was no irritation. Just I felt my skin a little dry, which always happens when you apply a face mask or a scrub. So I needed to moisturize my skin, which is like must. It is written here as well. So yes, I know it is a little on the pricier side, but it is worth buying because you can yourself see the difference in first application only. So that's it with the review, and I really hope this video is kind of helpful for you. And if you have any other recommendation, then do let me know in the comment section below, and I'll see you in my next video.
So blind, I've been searching for this all my life. You're just my type. I've been looking for a